What are you gonna do with that? Yeah, because the grass is wet. Go get it. Get it. Oh, goodness, there she goes. Oh, my goodness, there she goes.
That's so funny.
Hey, where are you going?
Come here.
Oh, she says I'm here. Look at that nice sit, Mom.
Oh, hey, beautiful.
She would like to be picked up.
Hey.
She wants
Would
attention.
you like to be picked up? How do you pick her up?
Like a baby.
Like that. Like a little football.
Like a little football.
Okay.
Up. Go get your toy. That's your bag. Oh, what she got? She got a towel for you? She got towels for you?
Do you want a towel?
Yeah. She says thanks.
Do you want a towel?
She says, ah.
Hey, beautiful. You gonna sit on the towel? You gonna get wrapped up in this one?
Oh, hello. Oh, did you find your toy? Did you find your toy? Excuse you.
I like that toy.
Excuse you.
Your hair.
It's my nose. That's my nose. Thank you. Oh, that's my nose. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
So did the lady tell you any special stuff or?
Oh, there she goes. She climbing. She climbing.
I like your little whale toy way better than this one. Like the mouth.
That's so